Best Car Engine Oil Brands review helps ensure engine protection, performance, longevity, fuel efficiency, and informed purchasing decisions for users. My today's video is about top 5 best car engine oil brands review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Leaky Moly Motorbike 4T SAE 15W50 Street. This engine oil is engineered to deliver reliable performance across a wide range of operating conditions, making it a strong choice for both daily commuters and demanding riders. Its advanced formulation ensures optimal lubrication at all times, significantly reducing friction and protecting engine components from premature wear. The oil demonstrates high shear stability and excellent resistance to aging, which helps maintain consistent viscosity and contributes to lower overall oil consumption over extended use. One of its key strengths is its compatibility with catalytic converter systems, ensuring cleaner emissions without compromising engine efficiency. It also promotes optimal engine cleanliness by minimizing deposits and sludge formation, helping the engine stay smoother and more responsive over time. Designed for versatility, it is suitable for use in both wet clutch and non-wet clutch systems, making it ideal for motorcycles and similar applications. Meeting APISL and JSO MA2 specifications, this oil guarantees trusted quality, durability, and dependable engine protection in all riding conditions. Now our second product is Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30 is designed to deliver exceptional engine performance through its advanced triple action formula, which focuses on protection, cleanliness, and long-lasting efficiency. It provides strong safeguarding for critical engine components, allowing extended oil change intervals of up to 10,000 miles while maintaining stable viscosity and resisting oxidation. This ensures the oil does not break down easily, even under demanding driving conditions. Built to meet ILSAC GF6 standards, it offers enhanced protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear, two critical issues in modern turbocharged engines. Additionally, it actively helps improve fuel economy while keeping the engine internally clean by reducing sludge buildup. Its advanced cleaning agents help remove existing deposits and control engine temperatures for smoother operation. With outstanding thermal stability, it protects engines at extreme heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and delivers reliable cold start performance down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a dependable all-season synthetic oil choice. Our third product is STA-BIL Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Oil. This full synthetic 2-cycle oil is designed for clean, efficient, and reliable engine performance, making it an excellent choice for small engines such as trimmers, chainsaws, and blowers. Its low-smoke formula ensures a cleaner startup experience, significantly reducing visible exhaust smoke and improving overall user comfort, especially in residential or enclosed environments. One of its standout features is the integrated fuel stabilizer, which keeps fuel fresh for up to 1 year. This helps prevent fuel degradation, ensuring smoother starts and more consistent engine performance even after long storage periods. The easy one-shot pour design is highly convenient, precisely measured to treat 1 gallon, 2.6 ounces, eliminating guesswork and reducing waste. Built with advanced multi-mix technology, it is safe for all 2-cycle engines, including both 50:1 and 40:1 mix ratios. Additionally, its long shelf stability of up to 2 years after opening makes it a dependable and practical maintenance solution for regular and seasonal equipment users. Now number 4, Shell Rotella 10W30 Diesel Engine Oil. This 10W30 diesel engine oil with triple protection technology is engineered to deliver dependable performance, durability, and efficiency in demanding engine conditions. It provides strong defense against wear, harmful deposits, and oil breakdown, helping maintain consistent engine health over long operating periods. By reducing friction between moving parts, it enhances overall engine protection while supporting smoother and more efficient performance. Its lower viscosity compared to 15W40 allows for reduced internal resistance, which contributes to improved fuel economy without compromising protection. This makes it a smart choice for users looking to balance performance with efficiency. The oil is formulated with advanced additive technology that actively controls deposits and keeps internal engine components cleaner throughout the entire oil drain interval. This results in better engine responsiveness and long-term reliability. Additionally, its increased shear stability ensures consistent viscosity under pressure and temperature changes, maintaining optimal oil pressure. Overall, it is a well-balanced diesel oil designed to extend engine life and improve operational efficiency. And our last choice is Triax Marine Synthetic 4-Stroke Engine Oil. This 4-stroke outboard engine oil is specifically engineered for demanding marine environments where reliability and long-term protection are essential. Designed for FCW-certified applications, it is suitable for a wide range of gasoline-fueled watercraft including inboards, outboards, inboards/outboards, supercharged marine engines, and personal watercraft. Its true full synthetic formulation delivers significantly extended service life, offering up to twice the protection compared to conventional and synthetic blend oils, making it ideal for high-performance engines operating under continuous heavy loads. Compatible with major marine OEMs such as Kawasaki, Volvo, Mercury, and Yamaha, it provides superior protection and performance beyond standard factory lubricants. Even in harsh saltwater conditions, it maintains exceptional wear resistance, stable viscosity, and reliable operation under extreme heat, with up to 2 years of storage stability. Enhanced with friction-modified technology, it reduces internal engine wear, lowers operating temperatures, and improves fuel efficiency while maintaining strong oil film strength under high torque, ensuring smooth, efficient, and long-lasting marine engine performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.